Hi guys, just another day at Salon Bliss. Waiting for our next client. What do we do when we wait for the next client? Olive, what do? You sit and wait, try not to fall asleep? Is that what you're doing? Olive? So, just so you know everyone, hi. So that's my dog Olive, and we're waiting for our next client, but it's freezing rain out. And so here we are just hanging out, and the roads are clear though. There's no roadblocks that I had to go through this morning to get to work. Took me a few extra minutes, but nothing too dramatic. And yeah, Mike, you're right. She is pretty amazing. I'm sorry that I didn't bring her this weekend so you could see her, but she comes to the salon every day, and yeah, we're just hanging out. But good news today, all of my clients showed up, and like I said, I'm just waiting for my next one, so it's going to take a couple hours to do her hair, and then I'll be off to home. And I'm pretty lucky because we all get to hang out with this little girl. She pretends she's doing work. So just as I got on the video, she was chewing on something. And then she looked up at me like, I wasn't doing anything. So I hope you're all doing well. I know it's interesting times here in Ottawa, Canada, although it feels like the trucker convoy might be over. Hopefully it is. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.